Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica and today's video is finally another nail tutorial. I did these glossy purple nails partially inspired by my new Skullpanda dolls. This is probably my favorite set I've ever done, and it's also super beginner friendly since all of the nail art is done with nail gems. You don't have to draw anything, so if you want to do our nails together, just keep watching. I'm starting with my gel extensions already done. First, I'm applying a sheer purple gel polish on the middle 3 fingers. It's been a while since my last nail video, and I feel like I've improved a lot since then. I'm going to cure that before applying another coat. Next, I'm going to use this sparkly cat eye gel polish. This magnet part is honestly still really tricky for me, but it gets a little easier with practice. Cure and apply another coat if you want it to be more sparkly. Sorry, this was out of focus, but I'm just applying rhinestone glue in a straight line so we can apply the clear heart gems. I loved how the clear hearts turned out. It reminds me of a cable knit pattern almost. Flash cure that and repeat it on the other nail. For the middle nail, I'm going to apply rhinestone glue all around the perimeter so we can create the pearl outline. This design is honestly really tedious, but I always love the result. I applied a base coat quickly to that same nail off camera before moving on to glitter. Move the glitter into the perfect position before flash curing. For the pinky, I wanted it to be a little different since we used purple on all of the other nails, so I'm using a white gel polish instead. Using the cat eye gel, I'm creating a half moon shape to the tip of this nail. Next, I'm applying rhinestone glue and pearls to outline that half moon. Flash cure that before finally applying a top coat to all of the nails. And then fully cure all of the nails. Okay, so the thumb ended up being kind of embarrassing, but I'll show you anyway. I wanted to try this quilted nail design I saw on Instagram, so I'm starting with the cat eye gel polish. I cured that and then applied rhinestone glue. I don't really know what they're called, but these little metal ball things will be the button guideline for the quilt pattern, so apply those. Draw a diamond outline connecting the balls with rhinestone glue, flash cure, and then fill in the diamond outline. Repeat this for all of the diamonds. I think this is the main part where I messed up. I applied a pretty thick layer of top coat, which messed up the entire design, but I'm curing that and we're done. Thank you so much for watching. If you're still here, I'm doing a surprise giveaway. The winner will get surprise blind box goodies from Pop Mart, which is the carrier of my favorite Skullpanda dolls and a bunch of other cute figurines. Good luck. Thank you for always supporting me, and I'll see you next year.